Give me one. Paddles up. Go. Drag lightly. Hold. Ready, ready. 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 2, 3, 4, 10 up. 2, 3, 4, 15 up. 2, 3, 4, 20 down. 3, 2, 1. Get big, get long. Nice and close. Get long, get big. Give me 5 right here. Go. Build it out in 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 2, 3, 4, 10 down. 3, 2, 1, get long. Let's get into their back. Sit up strong. There's a little bit of wind behind you. Use it. Get big, get long. Right here. Give me 5 to set that rate in 2, 1, go. Push with those legs forward. They're chasing Australia's wash. Come on, let's get into right behind their clean water. Give me 5 in 2, 1, go. Get long, right here, I like this. Let's stay aggressive, punch it a little harder. In 2, 1, right here. Taking 1 each dipper, deeper right here. In 2, 1, deeper. Get us closer, guys. Let's go. Get into that right behind them. Give me 5 into the turn. In 2, 1, go. We left. Give me 5 in 2, 1, chase it! We left! Marcus, draw! Woo. Keep going! Right here! In 2, 1, go! Chris, bail! Give me 5 in 2, 1, now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay on it, boys! Soleil, Bell, your turn. Rest up, Bell. Go!
Keep the weight out!
Alex, come on! Give me 5! Dig it! Now! Get long! Get big! Low into the wind, get deep! Let's get some encouragement catch rate. Come on. Still there, give me more. Brian, I know you want more. Come on. Kevin, show me what you got. Sam, show me why you're on Premiere. Give me 5 right here in 2, 1, go! Forward with those legs, come on, get long. Marcus, come on, give me more. You hear them cheering for you. Let's go. Make us proud, Canada. Everyone, 5 in 2, 1, go. Give me 5 more into the turn. In 2, 1, go. Marcus, draw lightly. There you go, straight. Give me 5 right here. Go. Guys, Thailand's got 25 seconds. Come on. We only got 5. Come on. We left. Big in 2, 1, build. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 3, 4, 10. Big glide, big strokes right here. Longer in 2, 1, go. Guys, crank it, get aggressive. Come on, in 2, 1, give me 5. Do you want gold or silver? It's your choice. Let's go. Anderson, I want you right here. Go. Peter, give me more. You can do this, Peter. 5 right here. Sam, match it. Match Peter right here for 5. Now. Press with those legs forward. Sit all the way up. In 2, 1. Let's go. Give me that dig right here. 1 more inch. In 2, 1. You can do it, boys. Chris, I want more. You can do this. Chris and Kevin, let's go. Show me what true grit can do. Now! Press it all the way. Give me 5 into the turn. In 2, 1, now! We left. Stay deep, stay balanced. You can do this. We left. Build it out. In 2, 1, go. 5 up. 10. Big glide. Long strokes. Now. Press with those legs. Get long. Give me more. You want that gold, silver. Come on. 6. Now give me 5 right here. In 2, 1, go. I like this push. Give me more. Full boat. Give me 5. In 2, 1, go. Bring it up. Full boat. Give me 5. Now. 300 meters. Rip it. Crank it. Use everything. Press down that paddle. Put your weight on it. Lefties, give me more right here. Righties, you can do more right here. Go. .200-meter race right here. Right, crank it. Give me 10. In 2, 1, go. Rows 2, 3, give me 5. Right here in 2, 1, let's go. Engine, come on. Rockets, add to it now. Bring it up. 75 meters, rip it. Give me a power 10 in 2, 1, let's go. Up! Up! 2 strokes. Let it ride. Drag.